disbelieving the young men of Athens. So the judge told him to renounce his views or face death. Socrates faced death but did not renounce his views. He was condemned to die by drinking poison. He died when he was 73 years old, with a smile on his face. Later, Plato, his chief disciple, followed with his ideas.
He was not 73, he was 70.
70 years old. Very good.
Sorry, Saket, okay? Sorry for interruption. Sorry.
Saket Sandeep, very good.
No
Anyone
problem.
else? Like Saket Sandeep, anyone else can explain any other?
Abraham Lincoln.
Tell, try.
Abraham Lincoln.
Tell.
I have to read or I have to say?
Say only short, in short. You can take the help of your book also, no problem. But in short.
Abraham Lincoln. The two greatest names in American history are of George Washington and Abraham Lincoln. While Washington was the first president of United States of America, Lincoln has been called the savior of the nation. Abraham Lincoln failed in many business he was trying to success. He failed first due to at 22 failed in business. At 23 ran for legislature and was defeated.
Legislature
and was defeated. At 25 elected to legislature and at 29 lost in the election for speaking. At 34 lost in election to the Congress. At 37 elected to the Congress. At 39 lost in the election to the Congress. And at 47 lost in the election for vice president. And then at 49 lost in the election to the Senate. At 51 elected as the president of the USA. Abraham Lincoln was born in 1809 in Kentucky, USA. He belonged to a very poor family. He had a little schooling as he had to work on his father's farm. At the age of 22, he left home and he tried various jobs before he qualified as a lawyer. Gradually, he was drawn into politics. At that time, the country was passing through a bad phases. The whole country was divided on the question of slavery. The southern states had large plantations where African Negro slaves were kept. The slaves were treated like animals. They could be bought or sold in the market. The people of the northern states were opposed to practice of slavery. Abraham Lincoln has saved USA from a very big danger. And then Abraham Lincoln wanted to keep the country united. Finally, a civil war broke out between the northern and southern states. Abraham Lincoln won the war and ended slavery in 1864. But then he was shot dead at 1865 by a supporter of the southern states.
Very good.
Thank you.
Sir, I think Saab told us all from seeing the book.
Yeah, seeing the book, no problem. At least try.
Okay, sir.
Now we try the other Mahatma Gandhi or Karl Marx or Junior Martin Luther
I'm
or
sorry for interrupting you too.
can
Mother,
say.
or Mother Teresa. Who will
No
tell?
problem.
Sir, I can say Martin Luther
Jatin,
King.
you also
Tell.
no problem, okay?
Okay.
Martin Luther King Jr. was born in 1929 in Atlanta, USA. He became a pastor when he was 18 years old. In the United States, slavery had been abolished a long back, but in many southern states, the blacks were badly treated. They were even denied basic human rights. Martin Luther King was inspired by Mahatma Gandhi.
Hello.
He joined the Satyagraha and felt this was the way that could lead to the emancipation of blacks. Under his leadership, blacks faced bullets and bombs. So great was his devotion to black Americans that when he received the Nobel Peace Prize in 1964, he donated the entire amount to the civil rights movement. He was assassinated during a campaign meeting in Memphis when he was just 39 years old. He is remembered with love and affection by the black Americans. They respect him as much as we respect Gandhiji.
Very good, Fahad.
I want to tell one thing. I know who assassinated Abraham Lincoln. John Wilkes Booth.
Yes.
Sir, where are
John
you reading?
Wilkes Booth.
He was shooting by a musket gun.
Very good.
Sir, can I say Mother Teresa?
Yeah, tell.
Sir, can I read?
Sir,
Not
can I
it.
read Mother
Yeah,
Teresa?
Sir, page number.
tell in short, not to speak, not to read. You have to explain in short. Abdul Rahman, go ahead.
Sir, I'm going to say Saint Mother Teresa.
Okay, tell.
Saint Teresa. Saint Mother Teresa was born in Albania. She became a nun at the age of 16. When she was 18 years old, she was sent to a convent in Kolkata, India. Her convent was near a slum colony called Moti Jheel. She noticed that the children of that area were poor, ill-fed, and sick. She started going to that slum regularly, giving food, medicines, and care. Seeing the misery and the poverty of this slum, she decided to start a separate institution to dedicate worker who would help her to serve humanity. She called this institution the Ministry of Charity.
Missionaries
She
of
gathered large donations and established the Nirmal Hirday home for the physically challenged people near the Dum Dum airport in Kolkata. She brought cheer to the life of poor children. She used to say, "All life is sacred.
Secret.
All life is sacred.
Secret.
All are God's children and have the right to get love and care." Saint Mother Teresa started her work with 4 sisters, and today more than 2,000 sisters belonging to her order take care of the needy on orphanages, dispensaries, and schools.
Good. When did he got the Nobel Prize and Bharat Ratna?
Star fact: Saint Mother Teresa was awarded the Nobel Peace Prize in 1976. She was also awarded
1979.
1979. She was also awarded the Bharat Ratna Award, the highest national award of India.
Very good. Okay. Now we will next
Sorry for interrupting.
Sir, I.
tell. Yeah, Ran Mullat, go ahead.
Sir, network problem.
Okay. Now tell your voice coming.
Yes?
Your voice is coming. Tell, no problem.
From starting?
Not starting, you have to explain any one of them, any one of the six.
Sir, Karl Marx, I can read.
Okay, you can tell about Karl Marx in short.
You have read about industrial revolution in chapter 12 of this book. The owners of the factories became very rich as they earned huge profits by selling their goods. The profits increased their capital. Hence, they were called capitalists. The capitalists did not care for their workers. They were concerned with their own profits only. The workers concerned with their own profits only. The workers led a miserable life. Thinkers became upset over the situation. Karl Marx was one of them. He came up with the idea that destiny of thousands of people should not be in the hands of a few. He thought that the modern factories producing large quantities of goods should not be owned by individuals. He Communist Manifesto along with his friend Friedrich Engels. In this book, he gave the slogan "Workers of the world unite." He wanted the workers to fight the capitalists. The other book which Karl Marx wrote was Das Kapital. Karl Marx died in England 1883. A new system of government based on the ideas of Karl Marx was formed in the Soviet Union. Lenin put into practice the ideas of Karl Marx.
Rehan, sorry for interrupting you in the middle.
No problem.
Anyone
Can I
Mahatma
read Mahatma Gandhi?
Anyone Mahatma Gandhi?
Sir, me.
Okay, start.
Mahatma Gandhi. Mahatma Gandhi was born on 2nd October 1869 at Porbandar in Gujarat. He studied law in England. As a lawyer, he went to South Africa to earn his living. South Africa was then ruled by whites. They mistreated the local black people. The people of Indian origin there too led a miserable life. Gandhiji took a fight on their behalf. He told the blacks and Indians that God had made everybody equal and nobody was superior or inferior. He inspired them to fight for their rights. But Gandhiji never told them to use violence in their fight. He called his fight Satyagraha, which means insistence on the truth. After spending 20 years in South Africa, he returned to India. He was shocked
to see the condition of Indians under British rights. He preached non-violence and non-cooperation. People in thousands participated in the Satyagraha. The people under his leadership held peaceful demonstrations throughout the country. They boycotted the British goods. They faced cruelty of the British with smiles on their face. Finally, the British had to bow to their moral power. India became free in 1947. Gandhiji lived a simple life. He wore only khadi clothes. The people loved him and called him Bapu. Gandhiji was against the practice of untouchability. He did a lot of them. He used to call them Harijans, people of God. He also worked for Hindu-Muslim unity and upliftment of women. Gandhiji was shot dead on 30 January 1948. Thus died one of India's greatest sons.
Who killed Gandhi?
Nathuram Godse.
Very good. Nathuram Godse killed him in 1948, 30th January,
Nathuram Godse.
while he was going for a prayer in a temple.
He died in 1948, 30th January 1948.
Soon after the
He was
independence.
shot dead.
Soon after the independence, he was
I get that Nathuram Godse is
shot dead. I will ask you, since you have now explained or read or told something about these 6 leaders, I will ask you some questions.
Okay, sir.
Be ready.
Okay.
Okay.
I'm ready.
You are always ready.
I am also ready.
Yes, sir. I'm always ready.
I am also always ready.
First question coming to you. First question to all of you.
Write this in our notebook.
No.
no.
No, wait, no.
What's another tip to Fahad? Whatever sir writes in the share screen, don't write it anywhere.
You know what?
Only copy it into your head.
I wrote everything.
No, my child, no,
Sir,
my child.
Copy it into your
Sir,
head.
Plato. Sir, Plato.
Plato.
Plato, sir. Plato. Plato.
Aristotle A.
Sir, Plato. B.
Very good.
Sir, B. Plato.
Plato.
Plato is the correct answer. Very good, boys. First of all, let me write the option, then only say. Otherwise, problem. Plato is the correct answer. Very good. Avoid this.
What?
Where the adhan in the at wrong time.
It's sad.
Me, not me.
Sir, not me.
No, you cannot be.
Sir, it should be Ayman.
It will be Ayman.
Not me.
But there's a green line around you.
Not me.
Okay.
Karl Marx.
Sir,
Karl Marx.
Karl Marx. Sir,
Karl Marx.
Who
Sir,
wrote
Karl Marx.
who wrote
Karl
that?
Marx.
Karl Marx is
Karl
the
Marx.
correct answer. All of you said
Sir, I
correct
said,
answer.
sorry.
Sir, I said first.
I said
Everybody said correctly.
no.
Good, good. Who was
Liar, Rehan.
called Bapu?
Sir, Gandhiji.
Gandhiji, Sir
Gandhiji.
Gandhiji.
Called Bapu.
Very
Sir,
good.
Gandhiji was called
People used
Bapu.
to love him and they call him with kindness
Gandhiji.
Bapu.
Very good.
Yeah, okay.
Bapu.
More
Who's
questions?
that again? Not Ayman.
It is Abdul Maqsid, I guess.
He's mute.
See, it's Ayman.
Ayman, it's Ayman.
Coming from you.
Hey,
Dad.
Ayman, the azan is in wrong time.
Chad, it's coming from you. Just mute. Chad, one.
Okay. See if it is coming from me.
Teresa. Saint Mother Teresa.
Yeah, it was coming from you. It stopped. Saint Mother
Now
Teresa.
it is coming
Saint
from Saad
Mary.
only. Now he muted. Now it's not coming.
Sir, Saint Mother Teresa.
Sir, it is Saint
Teresa.
Mother Teresa.
My mother is sitting next to me and no
Very
voice is
good.
coming.
Then who? Not me. I cannot hear anything.
So you are saying that I am doing it.
Hey, keep quiet now. No problem.
Maybe
Yeah.
Rayyan.
I know who is doing this.
How?
Yeah, okay. So Nirmala is a home was established by
The Saint Mother Teresa.
Saint
Saint Mother Teresa.
very good.
Saint Mother Teresa.
Very good.
Sir,
Well done,
first
boys.
I said.
Well done,
I
boys.
said first.
Well done, boys. You passed in this test today. This test now. Now second one.
Fill in the blanks.
Now first one, fill in the blank coming.
Mm.
Sir, Gandhiji.
Gandhiji was born at
Socrates. Socrates.
Who's saying Gandhi? Who's saying Gandhi?
Sir, Socrates. I am saying Socrates. First I said Socrates. Sir, the correct answer is Socrates.
So do I say Gandhi?
Socrates was born in Athens. Athens. And
Gandhi
Gandhi
was-
is born in
Mahatma
Portland.
Gandhi. Mahatma Gandhi.
Ayan, what happened to you?
Gandhiji was born at Porbandar.
Sir, right,
So you
wrong.
said Gandhiji
Sir,
are correct.
wrong that time.
You are telling
Almost
wrong
correct.
answer.
1869.
Pay attention in the class.
Yes,
Martin Luther King Jr.
Very
yes
good.
sir. Martin Luther King Jr.
Martin Luther King.
Jr. Sir, Martin Luther
I said, sir.
Sir, Martin Luther King Jr.
Martin Luther King Jr.
So there was a Martin Luther King. Who is this Martin Luther King's father?
Martin Luther.
Junior. Martin Luther King Jr.
Very
There
good,
was
Saad.
Martin Luther King only.
Very good, Saad. Well done, Saad.
Thank you.
Really good boy. Very good. Well done, Saad.
Okay.
Sir, Socrates.
Very
Sir,
good.
Socrates.
Very good, man.
Socrates. I also told Socrates.
400
Very
years
good.
ago.
Well done, all of you. Whoever says Socrates, very good. But Rehan,
Sir, first I said.
Rehan, then me.
Rehan said the first.
I told also.
Rehan said the first.
Rehan first, then me and Sakit second.
Sir, RAYN or REHN?
R-E-H-A-N.
Yes, not R-A-Y-A-N.
R-E-H-A-N. A-A-N.
Han.
No A-A-N.
But see there, R-E.
Dash means insistence on truth.
Okay, no problem.
Means insistence on
Satya.
truth.
Satyagraha.
Satyagraha.
Very good.
Satyagраha.
I told it first. I told first.
Which
I
means
told it first.
insistence is the truth.
Very good. Satyagraha means insistence on truth.
I told first.
Satyagraha means insistence
Sir.
on the truth.
Yeah.
Sir, one
On
second.
truth.
Wrote the answer
on-
K-I-N-G-G.
Those who said Satyagraha, well done. Now I will for this question I will tell the name. He will tell the answer only. No one will shout.
Okay, sir.
Okay.
Okay,
Okay,
sir.
sir.
Everyone, if you want to ask anyone the answer of the question, unmute him.
I will ask him. I will tell the name. He will tell the answer. No one will tell answer.
Okay, sir.
Sir,
Sir, mute everyone.
no need
Sir,
to mute.
permanently, sir, permanently.
Okay, sir.
What? Okay, sir, you said not to say, so I'm muting myself.
Now, Sat, tell the answer.
Yes, sir, me,
Yeah.
Abraham Lincoln.
Very good.
He solved the problem of slavery and then
Very
saved
good.
his country from a civil war.
Very good.
Yes.
Now, second question will be done by Saket Sandeep.
Yes, sir.
Second.
Martin Luther King Jr.
Very good, Saket.
Very good, Saket. But I told you first question should be written, then it shout.
There's some cracking sound is coming.
Yes.
It is from Abdul Muqsid.
No, it's not from me.
Then on your video,
Next question will be told by Ryan. R-A-Y-A-N,
Sir.
Ryan.
Ryan, not me.
Okay.
what? That give birth to Satyagraha. Oh,
Give birth to
Hey, don't
Satyagraha.
tell.
Who was this person?
Sir, Mahatma Gandhi.
Very good. Ryan,
Mahatma Gandhi
Right,
gave born to Satyagraha.
Very good.
I
Now,
can see a
Abu
fan
Bakr.
above you.
Now, Abu
Moving with
Bakr.
power.
Sir,
Abu Bakr will tell the answer.
Okay, sir. I will not say. I'll mute myself.
Abu Bakr, tell who social worker who founded Missionaries of Charity.
social worker who founded Missionaries of Charity.
Social worker who
Sir,
founded the...
Saint Mother Teresa.
Very good.
I was shouting Saint Mother Teresa first.
Now, answer will be told by Rehan Mullah.
What?
Okay.
Rehan
And ancient
Mullah.
philosopher
Sir, Socrates.
Yes, good, very good. Socrates.
Very good.
Sir, Socrates, I told.
Very good. Very good, Brian. Now, next question will be told by Abdul Rahim. Abdul Rahman.
Rahim.
Abdul Rahman Tasneem.
Okay. Tasneem Rahman.
Yes, sir.
You have to answer the question.
Das Capital was written by
Das Capital was Das Capital. Das Capital.
Das Capital was written by whom? Abdul Rahman.
Karl Marx.
Very good. Why taking so much time to give the answer? Simple answer.
Thinking. Sir, I think he was thinking.
Sajid, your turn now.
Sahasrajit Communist Manifesto was. I know that.
Communist Manifesto was written by Friedrich Engels and Sajid. Communist Manifesto was written by Friedrich Engels and anyone else?
I got this.
Sir, I also know.
Shall answer Sajid.
So what is the question?
Communist Manifesto was written by Friedrich Engels and